Hey guys, now going back to the beach to collect the USB from the beach photographer guy who photographs you with a DSLR camera, because he insisted. That's why I said okay, you can take some picture. So let's go and get the USB from him, and then I have to copy the files in my laptop. So let's go. Hey guys, I'm on my hotel lawn. You guys can see the hotel in my background. Seagull Hotel, Cox'S Bazar. One last view from the lawn, because I'm checking out tomorrow 12 p.m. So in GoPro Max camera you guys can see the whole hotel building behind me. .360 view. Now waiting for the camera guy. Hey guys, I got the USB. Now going back to my room to copy the files. Lift so busy, everything now. Corona is ending and it's becoming super busy. This place is like a photo booth or something near the entrance of the hotel. Not photo booth, but like a place where you can take picture, like a bit of glamorous background. Now going up. Hey guys, extraction done. Copied, moved all the files from the USB to my computer. Now going back to the beach, and let's see what else can we do. Tonight is last night, so let's go. Hey guys, now going to the beach again through the woods. Probably in 60s, in the hippie days, people used to use this path to go to the beach. I don't know, I'm just saying, probably. Behind me is the DSLR guy, the cameraman guy who took the DSLR picture. কয়টা ছবি জানি উঠেছেন ভাই? 235 মতো। না না 500 বেশি। এটা সবগুলো আপনি নেবেন না? নিচের উপর নিচের গুলো অন্য করে। না না, আমি তো দেখলাম যে একটা ফোল্ডার ভিতরে 500 আর একটা ভিতরে 200। মানে আমারই ছবি, আমি চেক করছি। So he took like almost 700-800 picture, and it cost 1500 taka. So I think it's cheaper because DSLR camera, high resolution. এটা কত মেগাপিক্সেল? এটা হলো 24 মেগাপিক্সেল, 24.5 না? 24 megapixel Canon. হ্যাঁ, Canon 24 megapixel Canon camera. Good. So guys, let's go and get a beach chair. Seagull hotel have their own chair, which is free for people who are staying in the hotel. So let's go. You guys got the chair. And that's the so, let's go and do some pedaling. Hey guys, went to the beach and then made a walking tour video of the whole beach from almost from the Cox'S Bazar International Airport to the Seagull beach. So it was a long walk, like up and down. So after that we are back, like I'm back in the bar again to have some drinks. Because tonight is last night, tomorrow night I'm leaving, and tomorrow morning I'm checking out from my hotel. So so yeah, now waiting for our food and drinks, and in the Seagull Hotel Mahua bar, and yeah, so let's see what happens later tonight. Hey guys, bought a whole bottle of Vat69 Whiskey, celebrating our last night in Cox'S Bazar. আজকে যাবো, কালকে যাবো, কালকে দিনে ঢাকায় নিয়ে যাবে। ভালো লাগবে আইস। ঠিক আছে। Hey guys, we are still in the Mahua bar and finished the Vat69 whole bottle now. So probably we are now going to the beach for like we have still got a couple of beers left, so pretty wasted tonight. So don't know what's gonna happen rest of the night, so let's see what happens and how I'm gonna conclude the video. I don't know, so let's see what happens. Hey guys, mucking around in the waves in the middle of the night. I don't know if it's safe or not. Probably not safe, because I don't know if it's low tide or high tide, but still mucking around with the ocean waves in the middle of the night. See you guys later. Hey guys, after all those drinks and like mucking around in the ocean with the dogs, and then we had an awesome fun in the ocean in the middle of the night.
Then I came back to my room and passed out, and just woke up like few minutes ago, and it's 8 a.m. now. So yeah, I thought that maybe do the conclusion now of the video. So I'm gonna end this vlog now. So if you guys haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe and like and share my videos. And after subscribing, press the bell icon to get notification of the next new video. And see you guys in the next one.